Hi! I'm Auri Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free! Today I'm going to show you how I transform this apartment look like brand new. If you wanna see that, keep watching, because for me, the dirtier, the better. And today I'm not alone, because my lovely friend Riikka is helping me. Say hi! Hi! We are ready. So, let's do this. Whee! First we start by collecting all the trashes. Yes! Butter! It's here we have moldy. I don't know what it is, but looks nice. Usually I have to check every bag because I don't want to throw anything away. In Finland, we can recycle these bottles, and from this bottle I'll get 20 cents. Look! There is some ants, or I don't know. Come on, baby. Ooh, so interesting. I haven't seen anything like this before. Okay, I don't know what is in here. When I clean these places, I always find something interesting or something that I haven't never seen before. And this is one of those, because I haven't seen moldy Pepsi before. Okay, let's see what is in here. I don't know, but I wanna know. Okay, it smells pretty bad. It's some clothes. Oh! I found something. Look! Oh, it's black banana, like my soul. Just kidding. Here we have first dresses. I have found some keys, so I'm just putting these somewhere. Maybe in here. the way, I'm like the clumsiest people in the world. Okay, surprise, surprise, I don't know what is in here, but let's see. You can take a look first. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. I'm going to show you. Oh, it's like it's like chicken. Chicken. Okay, and then we have a butter. Again, butter. Melted butter. Lovely. Our dinner. Okay, and I don't even know. Oh God. Do you want that? Alright, goodbye, chicken. French fries for you. Oh, they are like really hard. Interesting. Here we have pretty bad stain. So I'm using power paste and microfiber towel. I'm just gonna dip it in here and then it comes off so easily. Now it's like new. Okay, now we are ready. Look at this transformation. It's amazing. And it took us about 6 hours, so 12 hours total. And it was super fun and super easy. Woo!
Yay!
Hey, please subscribe if you wanna see more cleaning like this. See you! Bye bye!
Bye!